Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about De Morgan's law and related to example. But first of all, recall complement of a set. So definition of complement of the set, that means or we can consider let U be the universal set and A be any set, and all the element of universal set U but which are not present in set A is called the complement of the set. Now we can take one example. Suppose in universal set U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 element is present, and in set A is equal to 2, 5 and 6 element is present. Now complement of A is denoted by A dash and remaining element of set A. That means here remaining element of set A 1, 3, 4. So our answer is complement of set A is A dash is equal to 1, 3 and 4. Now discuss one more example related to this topic. In exercise 1.5, question number 3, taking the set of natural number as the universal set. Write down the complement of the following set. That means here in universal set U is equal to condition is given natural number n. Natural number n, that means here given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite element, infinite number. Now our first question, A is equal to set of x from x is an even natural number. Now first of all, x from x is an even natural number. So which number is even natural number? So 2, 4, 6, 8. All number are even natural number. Now here our question is find out the complement of this set. So A dash is equal to universal set U minus A. That means universal set U means x from x belongs to n. Different set of A, that means we can return x from x is an even natural number set over. So is equal to, our answer is x from x is an odd natural number. See here condition is present. Universal set U, that means all number are present. Now in set A even number is present. Now complement of A, that means A dash, is equal to universal set U minus means difference of set A. Now set universal set U, that means we can return x from x belongs to n, means all the even number as well as odd number is present in this set, and different set of x is even number is present, so common number is both this set is even number. Now remaining number of universal set U is odd number, so our answer is x from x is an odd natural number. Now similarly we can discuss second question. B is equal to set of x from x is an odd natural number. So first of all discuss which number is odd number. So 1, 3, 5, 7 all number are odd number. Now again find out complement of B, that means B dash is equal to universal set U different set of B is equal to universal set U in place of x from x belongs to n, difference set of x from x is an odd natural number. So now remaining number means again here odd and even both this number is present, but here only odd number is present. So now remaining number of universal set U is even number. So our answer is x from x is an even natural number. Okay, now after discuss another one, another condition is present here. Third condition, C is equal to set of x from x is a positive multiple of 3. So first of all positive multiple of 3, that means here we can return which number? Multiple of 3, positive number. So multiple of 3, that means here we can return 3, 6, 9 up to infinite. So all number are multiple of 3. Now again our question is find out complement of this set, that means C dash. So again C dash is equal to universal set U minus set C. Universal set U, that means we can return x from x belongs to n, different set of C in place of return x from x is a positive multiple of 3. So our answer is x from x belongs to n. See here all number is present and here multiple of 3 is present. So our answer is remaining number of multiple of 3. Remaining number, that means we can return here x is not a multiple of 3. So our answer is x from, but here we can mention this condition, x from x belongs to n, comma x is not a multiple of 3. Next one, set of x D is equal to set of x from x is a prime number. So first of all, which number are prime numbers? So we know that prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 up to infinite. So all these number are prime number. Now our question is find out the complement of this set. So complement, that means we can return D dash is equal to universal set U minus D. Universal set U, that means here we can return X from X belongs to N. Different set of D, in place of return X from X is a prime number. Set over. So our answer is X is not a prime number. So we can return set of X from X belongs to N. X is not a prime number. Okay, now next condition, set E is equal to set of X from X plus 5 is equal to 8. So first of all, X plus 5 is equal to 8. So we can simplify 5 written in opposite side. Suppose X plus 5 is equal to 8. So 5 we can written in opposite side and change the sign. So here we get X is equal to 3. So now here we can simplify this term. So we get answer is 3. Now here condition is present, find out the complement of this set. So how can we find out? So E dash is equal to universal set U minus means different set of E is equal to universal set U in place of written X from X belongs to N. Different set of E in place of we can written only set of 3. So our answer is complement set is equal to X from X belongs to N, and here we can return X not equal to 3. Next one, set of X from 2X plus 5 is equal to 9. Find out the complement of this number, this set. So again, first of all, simplify this equation. So how can we simplify? So first here equation is present, 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. Now 5 is constant term, so return in opposite side and change the sign. So 2x, therefore 2x is equal to 9 minus 5. Therefore 2x is equal to 9 minus 5, that means 4. So now here divide by this term, so 4 divided by 2, so is equal to x is equal to we get 2. So first of all, f is equal to, here we get only element of 2. Now find out the complement of this set. Say f dash is equal to universal set U minus f. So is equal to universal set U, that means again we can return x from x belongs to N minus f in place of return only element of 2. So is equal to set of final answer x from x belongs to N comma x not equal to 2. Now one more condition. Next question, G is equal to set of x from x greater than equal to 7. Now x greater than equal to 7, that means which number written here? So x greater than equal to 7, that means here we can written 7, 8, 9, 10 up to infinite number. Now find out complement of this set, that means we can written G dash. G dash is equal to universal set U minus set of G. So is equal to universal set U in place of written x from x belongs to n, different set of G in place of written 7, 8, 9, 10 up to infinite. So now is it remaining number here, all number is present, and here up 7 up to infinite number is present. So only remaining number in this set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so and here talking condition is present in natural number. So only answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in another way, how can be written this number? So in another way, we can written set of x from x belongs to n and x strictly less than 7. Okay, now after discuss, our today's topic is De Morgan's law. So now discuss De Morgan's law. So first of all, De Morgan's law. So here two law is present. First law, A union B hold dash. That means A union B complement is equal to, we can return A dash, here union form is present, so in between intersection form B dash, means complement of A dash intersection B dash. And second law, A here union form is present, so here intersection, means interchange the position of here union in place of written intersection, and here intersection in place of written union form. So A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. So in De Morgan's law, two law is present, and related to two law we can solve, verify this condition. How can we means solve one example? So question number 4. If universal set U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total 9 element present in universal set U. In set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 element is present in set A. And in set B 2, 3, 5, 7. Now verify De Morgan's law. So first law we can verify. So A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. So first of all, start from the LHS side. So in LHS side, A union B whole dash is present, complement set is present. But first of all, find out A union B. So in A union B, first return the element of set A, that means 2, 4, 6, 8 union element of set B, that means 2, 3, 5, 7. Now union, that means all the element of set A as well as all the element of set B. So our answer is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So A union B is equal to, we get all these elements. Now after find out complement of this set, so A union B whole dash, That means universal set U minus means difference A union B. But here universal set U element is present 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Difference set of A union B, here we get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So remaining element in universal means in universal set is only two element remaining, 1 and 9, because here 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 common element is present. So remaining element of universal set is only 2, 1 and 9. So our answer is set of 1, 9. This results equation number 1. Okay. Now after find out in RHS side, so in RHS side condition is present A dash intersection B dash. That means complement of set A intersection complement of set B. Complement of set A, that means A dash is equal to universal set U difference set of A. So is equal to universal set U means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Difference set of A, so 2, 4, 6 and 8. So remaining element of A is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Which element common in both the sets? So 2 common, 4 common, 6 and 8. Now remaining element of this set is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So complement of A we get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Similarly we can find out complement of B. That means B dash means universal set U different set of B. Universal set U means again we can return total 9 element is present. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Different set of in set B, so 2, 3, 5 and 7 element is present in set B. Now again find out which element common in both the set. So 2, 3, 5 and 7 common element in both the set. So now remaining element of this set is 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Now after find out, here condition is present A dash intersection B dash. So now A dash intersection B dash is equal to, here A dash a complement in place of we can return 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 intersection in B dash B complement in place of written here 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Now again find out which element common in both the set. So here common element, because intersection that means common element. So which element common? So 1 common element. Now after another element is 9. So again here two element common in both the set. So our answer is A dash intersection B dash is equal to 1, 9. Now this equation say equation number 2. Now see our equation number 1 in LHS side we get the result 1, 9, and in RHS side also we get the result 1, 9. So in both this side we get same result. So we can return from 1 and 2, we can say that A intersection B whole dash is equal to A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Now similarly try to solve second result. Same way, same method, try to itself A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash.